Hey everybody. Well, I got this monitor because the projector in the back bulb blew out, and I have another bulb coming, but I don't know if there's gonna be any problems with it. So I was like, you know what, it's a sale at Best Buy, so I bought this gaming monitor. Check this out. ULTRAGEAR 32-inch. Look at that. Look at that. Only for the people who don't speak English. There you go. So we about to open this and put it together. Then I'm gonna show you how we're gonna have to put it into the back room to make clean, because this looks like this is gonna be pretty big, and we may have to do some construction work. So let me get the knife. Okay, got the Chinese knife. Let's first go from the side here. The side. Oh, I gotta move the Kobe Bryant shoes. Got that side. This is how you unbox this stuff. Got that. I just hurt my damn toe. My pimp hurt his toe. All right, time to put the Chinese knives up. Out. And now let's open the box. Dun, 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 dun. Dum, dum, dum. Oh shit. Dum, 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 dum. Oh shit. Okay, there we go. All right. So we got the stand and another piece of the stand, and we got our power cord, and USB cord. What else we got? We got, what the? What is this? There's nothing in this. Let me see. Oh, there it is. See? It's a little thing. But this, I'm like, why is the CD? Oh, shit. You know what? What is this? Because the thing is, I don't have a CD. We have USB now. Why do they have a CD in here? Oh, owner's manual. I can't be reading that. Let's pull some of this out. This is what you get when you open this box. Protection. Boom. Then we got this piece. But right now, put this all back. Why? We got to put the stand together first. We got to put the stand together. And then I'm going to show y'all what construction we're going to have to do. So, let's put this stand together and pause it. Okay. We got the stand. I'm pulling it out this paper. Got to tear it up though. Okay, we got the stand that was here. So now let's pull this out and get this. This piece. What is this? So you guys might have to hold on, because I'm going to take this apart, because I can't hold that and the camera at the same time. Oh, well, wait a minute now. Hold on. Let me put it in the box. Put you in the box right here. Wait a minute. Let's see if there's any room to try to make a. There it go. Okay, here it is, because you got to hook the monitor up to this. And here is like the big piece of it, you know? So, let me grab you here. Okay, so these hooks have to go right here. So we'll have to do it, hook it into that. Now you know I can't hold this camera. So what we're gonna do is, we got to do the floor thing. Hold on. Okay, so what has to be done is, you have to take this piece and do it. Wait a minute. Oh, that's backwards. Oh, Jesus. Squeeze on my face. Okay, so do it. Hooked it. Let it go. Let it go. You see it? Hooked in. Hooks from like this. Oh, God. Hook in. All right. Now, what I'm going to have to do is flip it over. So hold on. Okay, so now you take these, and you got to twist these around. Once it's hooked in, then you have to tighten them up. Look at that. I got to tighten it up till you feel it tighten. Got to do this one. See how that is? Booyah! So it's tight. It's real tight. So let me move a little bit. Ugh. This is where you're gonna put your LCD on this. So now we got to get the rest of this out and stuff like that. Then I'm gonna show you the instruction we're gonna have to do. Okay, so now what I got to do is, we got to pull this out. Take it. See, look at that. So, take it and see what's in there? It's the monitor. The monitor. Let me put this down. There you go. This is what it looks like when you be unboxing this, when you get it home. So now, let me pause it and... Okay, so now, we take this. And look at how I'm doing it now. Look how I'm doing it. You see it? It's snapped in. Snapped in. Not loosening. So now I got to pick it up, but very carefully because of what it's on. So hold on. Oh, and here's a locking mechanism right there to unhook it, to take this off. As you pull this down and this will come off. So hold on. So there it is, 32-inch and stuff. Now here's the thing, because I know everybody wondering, well, you put it together, but I'm going to show you where we got to put this. And I didn't realize it was this big. Jeez. So let me show you. This is what it looked like on the stand. Your button's up under it and stuff. It's up under it. No side buttons or nothing. So, hold on. Okay, you see where this computer is? We're gonna have to push this thing, move all this. Everything's been unhooked. We're gonna have to put that monitor like twisted to the side so I can see it, because like I said, if this projector bulb comes in and the projector's still working, I can watch TV and play games at the same time. So we're gonna put this 32-inch, like I'll show you. Because if I could just push this to the side, but the problem with it is though, is we have the PlayStations that has to be hooked up to it. Well, only one can be hooked up to it. So, yep. So for right now, I gotta put these away, push this to the side, and see how much room we'll have bringing in it. Because we want to put that LCD like going facing. See here? It's gonna be like that. So I know everybody says there's a mess in there, but that's YouTube work jobs. So that's what I gotta do. Is clear this, move these games, and I'll try to squeeze it in there and stuff. Cause I gotta clear all that stuff out and stuff. And might have to put the PlayStation 5 in here too, and we gotta figure a way to sideways that shit. So here we go.